Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Bonolo and I'm back once again. I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on logical connectors. As you can see with the illustration before you, there's two arrows pointing towards each other, sentence 1 and sentence 2, with a screw in between them. Now, the screw there plays the role of a logical connector. Let me explain why. Now, you are wondering what are logical connectors, right? Logical connectors are words used to connect two or more sentences or maybe ideas in a grammatically valid manner, right? Sometimes they're called transition signals or direction words, right? These are the words that help ideas connect to each other. They create a relationship between ideas whilst in the same breath maintaining the sense between the ideas, right? They usually connect ideas that have a particular relationship with each other. In our little picture there we have and as a biological connector, which is a conjunction, right? Which connects the two ideas which relate to each other as to what John likes and what Sue likes, right? So John likes chocolate ice cream. Sue likes strawberry ice cream. And comes as the logical connector to create a relationship between what John likes and what Sue likes, right? Now, logical connectors are easily connected according to their purpose, right? Basically, they're easily categorized according to their purpose, right? Mostly, you have signals of addition, signals of condition, signals of contrast, cause and effect, and time signals, which you'll find, which are different categories of logical connectors, right? These are categorized based on their purpose. If it is an addition signal, it will be adding to an idea or developing an idea. If it is a condition, it'll tell you certain state as compared to another state. If it is a contrast signal, it'll change direction. And then if it is a cause and effect, it'll tell you, if it is a cause and reason, it'll tell you the reasons behind something. And then if it is an effect and result, and it'll tell you the consequences. Time, it'll always prescribe a certain order of events or somehow, right? So we have examples there, and then we have others as well. They're almost the same. Signals of sequence, signals of result, signals of emphasis, signals of example, signals of reason, and signals of addition, right? So you use these signals depending on the purpose that the relationship you try to create between two ideas or sentences, right? The purpose of these logical connectors is to create a certain relation, is to connect two ideas or two sentences while still maintaining sense between the two ideas or sentences. Now we have two examples here where logical connectors we use, right? They used a logical connectors such as besides, in addition, or furthermore, right? And then they explain the use as to add more information or to introduce a new point, right? The example says, I don't like the color of the blouse. Besides, I cannot afford it, right? Now, the logical connector there is besides. It connects the idea that the person speaking does not like the color of the blouse, but even if she liked the color of the blouse, she would not be able to afford it. That's why they used logical connector besides, right? Now, in the second example, they use the connector, which is as the result. Now, they explain the use as to show the result of some event or action, right? Now, the example is Yanni worked hard on the project. As the result, she was promoted, right? It connects the idea of Yanni's promotion as well as Yanni's hard work, right? It creates a relationship between the two ideas because they obviously relate. So what the logical connector does is that it connects them and maintains sense between the two ideas or sentences, right? Then there's a notice that says the use of connectors also entails the proper use of prepositions and articles, right? As you can see, The article used after besides is I, right? The article used after as the result is she, right? So that means that simply if you can use logical connectors in the correct way, but you also need to use the prepositions that are within the sentences and the articles that are within the sentences correctly as well. Now, this is the end of our tutorial. See you guys next time. Thank you.